If you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2025 in Red Dead Redemption 2, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rockstar Games website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Red Dead Redemption 2 completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection and resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher Steam, Epic Games, or Rockstar Launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing your connection speed or restarting your router. A weak connection can lead to matchmaking issues. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Make sure that your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking Red Dead Redemption 2. You may need to add the game to the exceptions list or temporarily disable the software to see if it resolves the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Matchmaking Error 2025 and get back to enjoying the game. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Rockstar support for further assistance.